In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack for Windows. We'll walk through the entire process from downloading the app to getting it open for the first time, so you'll be ready to start using Slack in just a few minutes. I'll go step by step, and you can pause the video at any point and follow along on your own computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. This can be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you like. In the address bar at the top, type Slack Download for Windows and press Enter. In the search results, look for the official Slack website, which will usually be one of the first results, and clearly mention Slack's download page. Click that link to go to the Slack Downloads page. On the Downloads page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Make sure you're on the Windows section. Here, you should see a button that says Download 64-bit. For most modern Windows computers, this is the correct option and will work without any issues. If you know your system requires a different version, such as a legacy build or an ARM 64-bit version, you can choose one of those options instead. If you're not sure, it's usually safe to go with the standard 64-bit download. Click the download button and your browser will start downloading the installer file, typically named something like slacksetup.exe. You can usually see the progress at the bottom of your browser window or in the download section of your browser. Wait for the download to fully complete before moving on. Once the file has finished downloading, open it. You can do this by clicking directly on the file from your browser's download bar or by going to your Downloads folder in File Explorer and double-clicking the Slack Setup file there. As soon as you open it, the installer will launch and the installation process will begin automatically. There's usually no need to change any settings here. Slack will install itself using the default options. Give it a moment to complete. When the installation is finished, Slack will open on its own. From here, you can sign in to your existing Slack workspace or join a new one using your work or school account. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start messaging, joining channels, and collaborating